Today, we will explore the profound insights of the world-renowned book How to Attract Money by Dr. Joseph Murphy, the acclaimed author of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Though concise, this book is a powerful guide to attracting wealth and unlocking the hidden potential within to achieve prosperity and financial abundance. Through the teachings of this book, you will uncover the barriers preventing you from attaining wealth and learn actionable steps to draw financial success into your life. If your goal is to create a life of abundance and attract money, it's essential to internalize these lessons fully. Think of this analogy. When you're unwell, you seek medical advice to address the issue. Similarly, if money isn't flowing steadily into your life, it indicates a deeper problem rooted in your mindset. The good news is that, just as physical ailments can be treated, your thoughts can also be realigned to support your financial goals. One of the most common obstacles to wealth is a negative perception of money. Many people subconsciously or openly criticize wealth, labeling it as dirty or associating it with wrongdoing. They believe phrases like, "Money is the root of all evil," and this mindset prevents them from ever achieving prosperity. It is crucial to eliminate such negative beliefs. Viewing money as undesirable causes it to metaphorically take wings and move away from you. Remember, you lose whatever you criticize. Let's illustrate this with a simple example. Imagine visiting a friend's home. If, upon your arrival, your friend greets you with hostility, saying, "I don't like you, I hate you, you're the root of all problems." Welcome to the Story Hub. In today's video, we'll dive into some powerful insights and book summaries that will help you grow. Don't forget to subscribe and share this with your friends and family for more exciting content. Leave immediately and never come back. How would you feel? Naturally, you would leave and avoid returning. This is exactly how money reacts when you harbor negative thoughts about it. By shifting your perspective and treating money with respect and appreciation, you open the door to financial abundance. Imagine a scenario where you visit a friend's house, but instead of welcoming you, they greet you with hostility, saying, "I don't like you, you're the root of all problems, leave and never return." As a person with self-respect, you would likely walk away quietly and never look back until they acknowledged their mistake or apologized. The same principle applies to money. When you harbor resentment, dislike, or view money as the root of evil, it naturally distances itself from you. Money, like respect, requires appreciation. However, the moment you shift your mindset and genuinely embrace money as a positive force, it begins to flow into your life abundantly. Start by changing your inner dialogue. Affirm daily, "Money is my ally. I love money, and money loves me. Money flows into my life freely and stays with me, like a cherished family member." Visualize money as a loyal companion, standing at your door, ready to welcome you wherever you go. Treat it with the same love and value you give to your family. When you consistently associate money with positivity, respect, and gratitude, it will respond in kind, becoming a constant and supportive presence in your life. To embed this belief in your subconscious mind, repeat affirmations multiple times daily, especially before sleep. Let them sink deeply into your consciousness until they resonate naturally. Over time, this practice will transform your mindset, turning you into a magnet for wealth and abundance. Remember, the key is to never hate or criticize money, or those who possess it. Embrace it wholeheartedly, and it will reciprocate with loyalty and abundance. Money flows freely and abundantly in my life, and I am always surrounded by divine prosperity. Regularly affirming this truth with conviction helps your thoughts of wealth reach your subconscious mind, ultimately developing a strong wealth consciousness. However, it is essential to align your affirmations with your current state of belief and emotions for them to be effective. People facing financial challenges often find that affirmations such as, "I am rich," "I am prosperous," or "I am successful" may not yield immediate results. In some cases, these statements can even worsen the situation because the subconscious mind tends to accept the stronger of two conflicting thoughts. For instance, when one says, "I am rich," but internally feels a lack, the subconscious counters with, "No, you're not rich. You are struggling." The dominant emotion of lack prevails, further reinforcing scarcity. To avoid this conflict, it is wise to begin with affirmations that are acceptable to both the conscious and subconscious mind. The subconscious responds to what we consciously believe to be true, so crafting affirmations that reflect a progressive journey rather than an immediate result can eliminate resistance. For example, instead of saying, "I am rich," try affirmations such as, "I am becoming more prosperous every day." "My financial intelligence is growing steadily." "My wealth increases with each passing day." "I am making consistent financial progress." These statements are gradual and believable, creating harmony between your conscious and subconscious mind. When there is no internal conflict, the affirmations are more effective, allowing your subconscious to support your goals. The key is to use affirmations that foster growth and development. As you progress, your confidence will grow, and stronger affirmations like, "I am rich," will resonate naturally. Begin where you are, and over time, the shift in your mindset will lead to tangible results, transforming your financial reality. If you declare, "I am a millionaire," your conscious mind will likely reject it because it knows your current reality does not align with that statement. The resulting emotional resistance can prevent the affirmation from being effective. However, if you reframe the statement to something like, "My wealth is increasing every day, and I am on my way to becoming a millionaire," your conscious mind is more likely to accept it. This subtle shift aligns with the belief that, as your business grows, so will your financial abundance. Affirmations such as these are far more effective. "My sales are increasing every day." "I am making steady progress toward my financial goals." "My wealth is growing consistently." When you use affirmations that feel achievable and realistic, your conscious and subconscious minds work in harmony, gradually embedding these ideas into your belief system. Over time, this mindset can guide you toward achieving true financial success and prosperity. It is equally important to avoid harboring negative emotions such as jealousy or resentment toward others. When you criticize or envy someone's success, you harm yourself more than anyone else. Negative thoughts and emotions block the flow of abundance into your life, creating internal conflict. Consider this common scenario. Someone bitterly remarks, "That person is a crook, making money dishonestly." Or, "I knew them when they had nothing. Now they're just a cheat and a fraud." Often, such statements come from individuals living in financial difficulty themselves. These negative feelings stem from seeing others achieve success, which fosters resentment instead of inspiration. This mindset leads to self-sabotage. Criticizing the wealth or success of others contradicts the very prosperity one desires. For instance, someone may pray for financial growth, saying, "God, make me prosperous," but then harbor thoughts such as, "I despise that person's wealth." This duality creates internal conflict and pushes abundance further away. Instead, celebrate the success of others. Recognize that their achievements do not diminish your potential for prosperity. By shifting your perspective to gratitude, positivity, and belief in your own journey, you can pave the way for lasting financial success and personal fulfillment. Always celebrate the success and prosperity of others. By doing so, you not only bless them, but also attract abundance into your own life. If you notice that a competitor is depositing significantly more money at the bank than you, feel joy and gratitude for their success. When you bless others, you amplify the same blessings in your own life. This aligns with the universal principle that what you focus on multiplies. If you pray for someone's success, that positivity will expand. Conversely, if you criticize or resent them, those negative emotions will also grow. The key is to treat others as you wish to be treated. Think positively about them, wish them well, and feel genuinely happy for their achievements. My deepest desire is that everyone, everywhere, experiences peace, love, happiness, prosperity, and divine blessings. Let all people thrive and rejoice in their progress and success. When you want something good for yourself, wish the same for others. Trying to withhold blessings from someone else only limits your own potential. For example, if a colleague receives a promotion, celebrate their achievement wholeheartedly. Congratulate them and share in their joy. Jealousy or resentment only hinders your own growth. Negative emotions, such as hatred or envy, erode your inner peace and create mental and emotional toxins that block the flow of success into your life. If you are concerned about investments or financial decisions, trust in the wisdom of the universe. Affirm that a higher intelligence governs all your financial dealings, ensuring their success. Repeating affirmations such as, "Infinite wisdom guides my investments and protects me from losses," can give you the clarity to make wise decisions. This mindset will often prompt you to act in ways that safeguard your interests, such as selling shares before a loss occurs. For your home, business, and possessions, declare daily, "A higher power watches over all my belongings, my home, my business, and everything I own. The universe is my fortress, and all my possessions are safe and secure." By aligning your thoughts and emotions with these truths, you create a foundation of peace, trust, and abundance that supports your financial and personal well-being. Remind yourself of this profound truth every day. When you align with the principles of love and trust, you are guided, cared for, and blessed with prosperity. By making the divine your advisor and guide, you will be shielded from loss and supported in all aspects of life. If you are facing financial challenges that keep you awake at night, take a moment to affirm, "I will sleep peacefully tonight. I have entrusted this issue to my subconscious mind, which holds the solution. Just as the sun rises without fail, my answer will also emerge in the morning." Then let go of your worries and rest. Fretting over problems will not solve them, but a calm and rested mind often brings clarity. Remember, the morning always comes, and dark clouds eventually clear. Embrace each night's rest as a moment of renewal, free from anxiety, and trust in the abundance of the universe. Adopt this daily affirmation as your guiding prayer. "The universe is my infinite source of supply. Its wealth is now my wealth. Abundance flows to me freely and generously. I use my talents and gifts wisely and am rewarded wonderfully. Thank you, Divine Source." As Ralph Waldo Emerson wisely said, "A man is what he thinks about all day long." Focus your thoughts on happiness, peace, love, prosperity, and abundance. By consistently aligning your mindset with positivity and gratitude, you create a life filled with these blessings. Wishing you happiness, peace, love, and limitless prosperity in your journey. I hope you learned something new and valuable from this video and that you liked it. Friends, liking this video doesn't matter to me as much, but from my heart, I say that making such videos takes both time and effort. When you like and comment on the video, it feels like our hard work has helped someone, and we'll keep making such great videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Story Hub, and share this video with your friends and family. For more book summary videos, make sure to follow me. Until then, stay happy and always keep your family happy. Goodbye.